this video, we're going to show you how to set up your tag groups and your tags. So if you're a system administrator, you should be able to access the system settings by clicking on the settings icon at the top right, clicking system settings in the flyout menu. This is the administrator screen. We have three sections here: global settings, administration, and integrations. The tags icon is at the top under global settings. It's about the third block over from the right. So click on tags and it's going to open up all of our tags. So there's two things to note about tags. There's tags and then there's tag groups. Groups are the groups of the tag, and then the tags are the individual values for that tag group. So for example, we have industry here. Industry is a tag group in this case, and the type of tag is a customer. There's three different types of tag groups. You can either do customers, commodities, or models. So models have to do with resale, master items. Commodities have to do with recycling, master commodities. So there's three different types of tags, the other one being the customer tag, which in this case, that's what the industry tag is. So in the customer section, I can go to an account and I can go to the tag section of the account and I can actually tag this customer as from the insurance industry or manufacturing industry or farm industry, etc., etc. So this is the tag group. These are the tags. If you're a recent customer to Razor, you just started, you just got, we just deployed your instance, you should see only one tag group, and it's going to be your freight. So I'm going to expand my view here to 250. And we have a freight LTL tag where you can tag accounts as freight. So if you have an account like, for example, Yellow Freight or any other LTL that you want to use when you're doing an inbound order or outbound order and you're using a common carrier or a freight carrier, you want to tag that account as freight. So never remove the freight tag because it is important keeping it in your system so you can tag your freight carriers. That's all that's going to be in the deployment. So all these other tags is really however you want to set them up. So in this case, we have a service tag. Maybe you do state programs, or you know, you have a certain like a pricing tier for customers. Maybe you want to set up a tiering system with your customers, so you have a platinum package, a gold package, silver package, and they fall under certain pricing packages. Maybe that's how you want to do it. Okay, so for an example, I'm going to click on the new group here, and I'm going to add in a new group tag. So this is the main topic here that we want to put values underneath. So in this case, I'm just going to say interests. Maybe you want to break up the customer service interest. Maybe some customers that you have are only interested in data destruction. Other customers are more interested in your ITAD services. So in here, you can just type in the name of the group, interests, and for this example, we're just going to use customer. We're not going to do, you can tag your commodities and models, that's explained before, but we're just going to use your customer tag and then click OK. So once you click OK, we have here at the bottom we have interests. Okay, so now I want to add values underneath interest. So now that I've selected interest, I'm going to click on new tag, and this time I'm going to say ITAD. So instead I'm going to use ITAD services. So now I just created a new tag under interests. I'm going to create a new tag as well. This time I'm going to put data destruction. You can put anything in the description. Typically you'll just repeat the value, but you can, if you want to actually use the description field, feel free to. So alright, now we have two tags under interests. And interest is obviously the tag group, so now you know how to set both of them up. Now I'm going to show you on the account section. If I go to my CRM here, we just added in the interest tag, and I'm going to now tag this customer, ABC123. I'm going to just start typing interests, And you can see our new tags here: interest, data destruction, ITAD services. I'm going to mark them as ITAD, save and exit. What's cool about the customer tags is if you go in here now and I type in interest, choose ITAD services, I can see all my customers that I have tagged under ITAD services. I can now export out this list, and you can see all their customers in a nice little list here that you can import into MailChimp or Constant Contact if you want to run a mail campaign. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please email us at support@RazorERP.com, and definitely check out our YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks.